Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about grade 12 CBSE important topics chapter wise. I am going to take up two chapters today in this video, chapter 1 and chapter 2. I will be taking up till the last chapter 11 one by one or two by two, so that you have a clear and fair idea. We'll start with chapter 1. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Please share it as much as possible and help me out. So we'll start with reproduction in flowering plants, chapter number 1. First of all, I'll write the important topics here and then I'll tell you how are they important and why do I think it's important. Reproduction in flowering plants, development of pollen grain, where you tell about the germination and all, pollen tube and its formation and all. Double fertilization, formation of embryo sac also, formation of embryo sac. Next is post fertilization changes, then we have polyembryony. Okay, so these are why I have taken up these topics, or why do I say that these topics play a very important role or very important. First of all, from the chapter reproduction in flowering plants, for sure there will be a 5-mark question, and on the basis of studying the previous 3 years paper, I could understand that in your previous paper only there were 1 3-marker, 1 5-marker and 1 2-marker from this development of pollen grains. Plus अगर 2019 की बात करें तो 1 question 3-marker was there in the paper. So that makes the topic very important. Double fertilization also, we had 1 question 3-marker. Then we had 1 question 3-marker here in 2019. So this is just I'm telling you that on the basis of this, that what type of how many questions did we get in previous papers from these topics. I'm telling you, I'm concluding that a 5-marker is definitely going to be there from this chapter reproduction in flowering plants, plus diagram questions. Very important. Diagrammatic questions, they come from this portion because there are multiple diagrammatic questions, even the structure of ovules and all. So there are various important questions from here. Post fertilization changes also, 2020 mein there was not, but 19 mein there was a 3-marker and 2 questions 3-marker, and in 18 it was 1 5-marker. Polyembryony, we had 1 5-marker. And in 2019 there was also 1 5-marker. So that makes the chapter very important for 5-mark questions. I'll be telling you the chapters जहाँ पे 5-marker नहीं होते, 2 to 3 markers होते हैं, and I'll tell you the topics also. But from this chapter, development of pollen grain, double fertilization, formation of embryo sac, post fertilization change and polyembryony are the topics from where multiple questions have been asked under 2 markers, 3 markers and 5 markers, which make these topics important. Moving to the next chapter, that is human reproduction. Now in human reproduction, I'll mention the topics first. Let me just write the topics here. Male reproductive system, very important. Male reproductive system. Then we have section of ovary, basically the one where the process of ovulation is shown. Then we have gametogenesis, phases of menstrual cycle, very important. Why are they important? Because you have to learn them in a sequence, starting from the first to the last. कहीं से भी random learn नहीं कर सकते, and you have to learn the sequence plus the changes occurring. Fertilization and implantation. And the last one is hormone produced in women during pregnancy. Hormones in women during pregnancy. Fine. So I have jotted down these topics again on the basis of the same thing. From male reproductive system, we had a 5 marker. In 2019 we had a 3 marker. Section of ovary, 2020 we had 3 marker, 19 we had 3 marker. Gametogenesis in 2020 paper नहीं था कोई भी question, but 19 में we had a 3 marker. Phase of menstrual cycle in 2018 we had a 5 marker from here. Fertilization and implantation, 2020 we had 5 marker from here. Hormones produced in women, in 2020 we had 3 marker from here. So these topics are made important because there are multiple 3 to 5 marker. देखो no 2 marker, no 1 marker, but maximally 2 to 5 marker for that. So that tells us that from here human reproduction also a sure short 5 marker question is going to be there in your paper according to the analysis of the previous papers. So please focus on these topics. I have discussed the topics from the chapter reproduction in flowering plants and human reproduction. In our next video we'll take up chapter number 3 and 4, maybe 5 also if they are less. So we'll be discussing, or I'll be telling you the important topics to focus on. If you are revising for your paper, please focus on these. Fine. I've already covered these 2 topics in my videos also. If you want to see or if you want to revise from my videos, very beautifully explained. So you there is a link given in the description box for human reproduction also, the whole playlist, and for flowering plants also. The whole playlist is there in the description of this video. Please click on the link and you will go to the video where all the topics are explained. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.